my god. Oh. That's crazy. Yeah, that's some major suckage right there.
Damn, I'm lightheaded now.
Thank
I want to see that
you.
video.
Oh my gosh.
Open it all the way.
The whole thing is gonna be gone.
Y'all need to seal up your freezer with like some caulk or something.
Yeah, all of our stuff is frozen.
Oh my god, just let it go. It's like that cell phone in the microwave.
You gotta put that in
Oh my god.
Okay, opening it all the way does not work, Colleen. Bad idea.
Your ass smells like
there.
pond
It'll
salt.
stop doing that.
What the
Alright, well,
Hey,
it
can I
appears
have
to be
some of your
good now.
Diet Coke just a sip?
Yeah.